In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up and start using the Notion desktop app for daily productivity. We'll begin by downloading and installing the Notion desktop app on your computer. Head to the official Notion website and look for the desktop app download option that matches your operating system. Once the file finishes downloading, open it and follow the installation prompts. This part is usually quick and straightforward. After the installation is complete, launch the app so you're ready to sign in and start working. When the app opens, the next step is to log in to your Notion account. Enter your account credentials and complete the sign-in process. If you already use Notion in your browser or on your phone, this is what connects your desktop app to your existing workspace. Once you're logged in, give the app a moment to load your pages and content. Depending on how much you already have in Notion, this may take a few seconds. Now let's get familiar with the interface, starting with the left sidebar. This is one of the most important parts of Notion because it helps you navigate everything quickly. You can use the sidebar to open pages, switch between workspaces, and access settings. If your workspace starts to grow, the sidebar becomes especially useful for staying organized and finding what you need without wasting time. Next, create a new page. A page in Notion can be used for almost anything, including notes, task lists, project planning, meeting agendas, or personal organization. Start with a simple page title that clearly tells you what the page is for. Keeping page names specific will make your workspace much easier to manage as you add more content over time. Once your page is open, type a / to bring up Notion's block menu. This is where Notion becomes really flexible. You can insert standard text, checklists, tables, calendars, and databases depending on what you want to build. The / command is one of the fastest ways to work in Notion, so it's worth getting comfortable with it early. As you explore, try different block types to see which layouts fit your workflow best. After that, check that your desktop app is syncing properly with your mobile or web version of Notion. Open the same workspace on another device or in your browser and confirm that recent changes appear there. Sync is essential because it ensures your information stays updated wherever you access it. Finally, make the desktop app part of your daily routine by pinning it to your taskbar or dock, or simply keeping it open while you work. That small habit can make Notion much more convenient to use consistently and help turn it into a reliable productivity hub.